Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's just a quick video on how to tidy up a trampoline that's gone through winter, has algae on it. Quick pressure wash and it looks brand new again. So let's make a start. This is the trampoline I'm going to be cleaning today. It's a 10-foot JumpKing which is about 4 years old. It has the usual dirt build-up on the skirt as you can see here. The embroidered logo also needs a good clean. The inside of the safety netting will need pressure washing too. And the trampoline mat also needs cleaning all over, although it is worse around the edges. And there we have it, all clean and looking like new again. The embroidered logo is looking great. And all the stitching is now clean. All the algae has been removed from the safety net zip. And the trampoline mat is looking so much better. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It'll help me make more videos like this in the future. Till the next one, see you then.